Welcome back to East Texas Live on KETK. Joining us now is Dr. Rick Coker, and we're talking about an exciting new method of pain-free dentistry.
Right.
Everybody wants to hear that, Dr. Coker. Now, I know you've been in business for 50 years.
Right.
So I'm sure you've developed some great systems over the years for making people feel comfortable in your chair. Why start something new?
The main thing is, you always look at the things you're doing and is there a way to improve my performance? And this, when I investigated this, I was pretty proud. I said, no, I don't need this. And the more I investigated it, the more I realized that this is a real addition to the thing. If people can be numb painlessly, they can be numb quickly, and they don't get numbness in their, their gums or their tongue, their lips. Well, then that's a big advantage for them, and it's easy for me too.
Yeah,
it's a great thing.
So tell us the name of
It's called Tuttle Numb, named after Dr. Greg Tuttle, who's a dentist in Utah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And what are the advantages? You mentioned some of them.
Well, the main advantage is the speed at which somebody gets numb, because many times you go to the dentist and they'll inject, and then they'll have to wait for 20 minutes or 30 minutes for it to get numb, and then try, oh, nope, still okay, do it again. This is almost 100% right now numb, and like I say, it is just totally painless. It's amazing to me. And then you work on it, but like I say, you don't have the lip, you don't have the tongue numb, you can do it. Lower molars are always the hardest to numb, and this is especially useful for those because we can go in there and just numb that tooth and fix it in
one tooth at a time.
However many,
That's incredible.
It really is.
What are the advantages to you, the dentist?
Time saving, because if I have a patient in there and I'm waiting 30 minutes, I can only look at Facebook for so long.
Right.
So, it's important to be just get going with it. Be able to go ahead and get going, and then you can schedule things properly. And it's really made me realize how this has sped me up to allow me to do more things, or take care of people, or talk to the patient, that sort of thing.
Or get on the golf course early.
Well, yeah, it's been so hot I haven't wanted to.
Exactly, I know what you mean. Tell me this, if it's so fantastic, why aren't all dentists using it?
One of my goals is that I want to make more dentists aware of this, because it's not just to me, I don't get anything out of this, but every dentist ought to have this in their bag of tricks. And once they do it, I've been talking to my friends, I said, look, you got to try this. I mean, I'm not getting a kickback, it's not any big deal. Try it, because you'll be amazed, your patients will be appreciative, and everybody's going to be better off.
So what sort of advice would you give, I would say, to our viewers, but really speak to me, Dr. Coker? What kind of advice would you give people who are looking to go to the dentist, who are really nervous about it and afraid? There's no reason to take to expect to have pain. Most of us got hurt when we were young, and those memories don't go away. That's right.
But today, with the local anesthetics, with the topical anesthetics, you really can do it with no discomfort at all, just depending on what you need to have done, how long it'll take, how much it'll cost, and all that.
Sure.
But there's no reason to have the fear of pain keep you from having a smile or being able to chew or anything like that, because that has been taken off the table.
Yeah, absolutely. Now tell people how they can find you and Tuttle Numb.
Well, I don't think there's a directory yet of dentists that have this. Like I said, I've got several in town that I've already kind of, okay, you got to get this. So, but if I were a loyal patient of a dentist, I'd say, I heard about this thing called Tuttle Numb. Why don't you get it? You can. My office, Dr. Rick Coker, Smile Studio, 903-581-1777.
Perfect.
But I'm not the only one. I'm not doing this to, to get more business necessarily. I just want people to know that it's possible.
It's an option.
Yeah, and it should be. Nobody should let that keep from having their mouth taken care of.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's just no reason to suffer.
Thanks so much for joining us this morning.
My pleasure.
Really good information.
Yeah.
Thanks.